Welcome to CyberTheo. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to create stunning artwork using AI tools. Whether you're an artist looking to experiment with new mediums or a beginner curious about AI art, this guide will help you get started. Choose your AI art tool. Start by selecting an AI art tool. Popular options include DALL-E, Midjourney, and DeepArt. These platforms use machine learning algorithms to generate artwork from text prompts or images. Set up your account. Visit the chosen AI art tools website and sign up for an account. Some tools offer free versions, while others may require a subscription for advanced features. Understand the interface. Familiarize yourself with the tool's interface. Most AI art platforms have a simple layout where you can input text prompts, upload images, and adjust settings like style, color, and resolution. Create your first piece. Text prompts: enter a descriptive phrase or sentence that captures the essence of what you want to create. For example, a futuristic cityscape at sunset or a surreal portrait of a cat in space. Image upload. Some tools allow you to upload an existing image that the AI will use as a base to create new art. Experiment with different inputs to see what the AI generates. Refine your artwork. Adjust parameters, tweak settings like style, colors, and brushstrokes to fine-tune your creation. Many AI tools let you explore various art styles, from impressionism to abstract. Regenerate. If you're not satisfied with the initial result, you can regenerate the artwork using different prompts or settings. Download and share your artwork. Once you're happy with the final product, download the high-resolution version. You can then share it on social media, print it, or use it in your personal projects. That's it. You've now created your first AI-generated artwork. Keep experimenting with different tools and settings to unlock endless creative possibilities. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.